How to fix Pbid.exe, application error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click command prompt and click on Run as administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, malware can often cause various errors by interfering with system processes or damaging files. Scanning your system with an antivirus program can detect and remove malicious software, potentially resolving the error. If that didn't work, System Restore can take your PC back to an earlier point in time when everything was working correctly. This can be helpful if the error started occurring after a recent change in your system, like a software installation or a significant update. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.